Kevin. His car is getting his exhaust stuff done at Richard Performance Muffler. That's where I got my WRX and STI. Some little things done here and there. Why is your front bumper off? Yeah, Kevin's trying to make his car louder. What did he do? We needed to get a mid-pipe put on, and the Q300, it was like a different year. The size was different, so we had to get something to do with the doohickey wicker that gets, I don't know, we made it shorter or longer. I couldn't remember what needed to be done. So he could get that Q300 on, and it actually looks pretty fucking good compared to the N1 that was on there. Oh, Kevin, what did you do, buddy? But it should sound pretty good. We haven't heard it yet. We just pulled up. He's gonna pay the bill, start it up, and we got some other stuff planned. We'll see how that goes. How you doing? Woo! Are you excited?
Yeah, this is where you hit your what is it called?
I don't know. What's it called?
Intro, like.
My intro started up.
Yeah.
It'll probably be a cold start. They probably brought it out in the afternoon, huh? It's bassy.
Yeah.
That's how the SPT was on the STI when I brought it home.
That definitely sounds like
yep.
old one without even a downpipe on it.
That's the stock Q3, all right.
Yeah.
Damn, that's really bassy.
It's actually, if you go sit inside.
Yeah, it fucks it. You feel it in your chest. All right, we're gonna go back to Kevin's house. It sounds better now. The Q300 looks so much better than the N1. It's just all filled in. But I have LEDs for him for his day. Ooh, that's what I wanted to see. I'll do it now. I'm gonna forget. Let's look at his day runners. Yep. We're gonna do the LED install. Someone sent me LEDs. I don't need them because I already have them on the STI. But they sent them out, and I said, okay, I can give them to somebody and film that, and Kevin can get use out of them. I think they're high beam, low beams, all that fun stuff. We'll get over there and we'll hear his car on the road too. I told you to wait. Ooh, good bike. Where'd you go, Kevin? Kevin, you're not waiting. Radio off. Someone's got a little fatty stance going. A lot of different tones too. He's trying to rev. You trying to get fancy? What was I saying before he rudely revved on me? Yeah, the different sounds with the different, the metals, the downpipes, midpipes, all that junk. His right now sounds really clean. It's really bassy inside. Kind of sounds like a stock SPT. That's why I did some stuff to the Q300 when I brought that car home, the STI. But it sounds good. Fucking white car. Red light. What?
I don't hear rumble.
It's because you need that that downpipe on. I hear it.
You?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to drive it so I can hear it.
I hear it. I'm also. Huh?
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Does it sound like a Subaru?
Yeah.
It sounds like a Prius in here.
You better watch yourself, buddy. I'm about to rip your ass down this hill. Are you ready for this? Round 2? The light's gonna turn green after those cars. You better get ready for it. Uh-oh. 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 Here, you record it then. Kevin needs to hear his car with the rumble because he doesn't think it's rumbling.
I don't think it's...
push that.
What is that? Ejectocito cuz?
Yeah.
Where's... Oh, it's... It's the...
Fucking camera. Dildo holder. Don't push it.
Okay, I'm pushing it. Be careful when you back up.
What?
Nothing.
Yeah. Jesus, Kevin.
Height problems much?
I got 99 problems with a slow car.
Does he know how to drive? Yeah, I know. I hope you don't stall. You've already driven it. Oh shit. I got an N1 without having the N1. Damn.
Kevin, man.
They probably did something.
Well, you don't let me fucking send it, because you give me a car, I'm gonna send it. And then you say you smell stuff afterwards, bro.
What is this right here?
What? Ugh. Right here, man. Right here. Kevin, I just dropped them. So like I was saying, there's a company that contacted me. They wanted to send them out. I guess they wanted a review. I don't really do reviews. I just do installs and go with the flow and send it. I don't know if it's a distributor or a manufacturer, but some company named Neo sent out these LEDs. What specs were they? I think they're 35s, 3500s. Let me see. Kevin's having a hard time
No, I'm not.
with his air filter bong for more air under hood. We need a table in here, Kevin.
Not a bench.
Just see here. I think they came with some type of instructions, but I forgot them. So yeah, it says 9005 HB3 LED headlight bulbs, H10 car headlamp, 6400 lumens, 72 watts, 8000 white replace, all kinds of crazy shit. So I'm hoping that they're the day runners, maybe high beams. We're gonna find out. So twist the day runner, either left or right, and it'll pop out, and then you unplug it, and that's it.
Which one?
That one. Turn it left or right. I don't remember which way. There you go. Where's the lights? They're pretty nice though, actually. They have the built-in fans, so they don't overheat. They even put their little. Can you see that? Ooh, dang, the aperture. I always say that. Looks sick. They put the their logo in the front. That's new.
Burnt almost?
Oh yeah, yours is old. He's gonna take a shit sooner or later, anyways. And then you just go in reverse. Let's. Do you want to do one at a time and turn it on? You can see the difference between both.
Yeah.
Just don't fucking break it.
No, it's in there.
Don't break the fan, man.
See, this is like loose, and then you put it in.
Sick. Sick, Kevin. Fuck yeah. Did you plug it in?
Yep.
Sweet. Turn that bitch on. That was easy, right? 30 seconds?
That's what she said.
Let's see here. What? What'd you just say? I like how you have your front bumper off. It looks like you're trying to be cool for the day.
Yeah, I'm like a tuner.
Tuning it, bro. Tuning it. You might have to leave the clutch in and put it in first.
You didn't do anything?
Turn the car on. Don't hit me. Turn your brights on. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, it's because it's in the dark. Pull out once. Or put it in neutral, I'll push it. Yeah. It's just like my car all over again. They should kick on once it goes in the light. What the fuck? There it goes. Yeah. Come look. They're high beam, low beams.
Oh, okay. Ah, yeah.
It's sick, right?
Okay.
Oh shit, hold this shit. I'll turn the high beam on.
So if I wanted to replace my...
It looks like an Evo from here, bro. Oh, careful. Wow. What, are you trying to send it into your wall or what? This sounds pretty bassy to me.
It does?
Yeah, it sounds like super. Yeah, what's wrong with you?
I know, but it doesn't sound like. Maybe I'm just like, it's different for me. I don't know.
What's different?
I don't know. Maybe
You're crazy. You're getting crazy. No, you're getting crazy. Back up. He's trying to. Yeah, put the other light bulb in, Kevin. Jesus.
No, I know. I think it's just the resonator or something.
I don't know. You're just fucking tripping. Do you want it louder? Quieter?
I want it louder.
Bassier? You're black, dude. You do amazing work, by the way, Kev.
Like what?
Do you want to do my lights too?
Yeah.
If I'll hire you to do all lights, I'll start a light company. You can do them all.
Oh really?
You're like a sub 30-second guy.
It took me like an hour to get that thing
No,
off.
it didn't. Stop it. It was 30 seconds or less.
Now
What do you mean?
it's hot.
What are you talking about? What do you mean it's
Pull that down.
exposed? You said it's hot. I'm not touching it. You touch it.
Where's my
Right there. What are you looking for?
no this so I can push it down.
Oh. These are. Did you record? You recorded. These LEDs are looking pretty good so far. So, Neo LED headlights. You got some pretty decent lights so far, if that's the company. Kevin also has these pads that we're gonna put on. I think they're this Hawk H. Are they HPs? You said that, yeah. I have the same pads on mine. We should get you some DBA rotors too. I'll get you the hookup, little buddy. You can install that. Go gangster with it. I'll give you a tutorial.
It's installed. You want to install this?
It looks good. No, I'll watch though.
Okay.
I'll help you. It's hot as balls, Kevin. I'm big. I'm just like, you got shorts on. I got jeans on. It's hot.
Well, we are in California.
California is not that hot. It looks good though, Kevin. We're gonna put his bumper on. I want you to. Oh, wait here. He's so obsessed with it. I don't know what it is. He thinks it's not loud or it's not rumbling. Turn your lights on. Sounds rumbly to me, Kevin. Sounds rumbly to me. Oh God, is he gonna send it? Jeez, those are fucking bright. Fuck. All right, someone's excited. 40-point U-turn. Oh shit. Oh shit, watch out! Dude, your lights look so good.
Yeah.
Yeah, they look just like mine. And yours are,
I like the ones you have.
you got hooked up. Those are free, bro. Those are fucking, should have kept them. Huh? Oh no, you didn't. Were you Sammy fucking Sosa? Knock that shit off. This fucking guy. You almost stalled busting that Sammy Sosa, man.
Alright, let's put this bitch on.
Yeah, let's watch you put it on.
Oh, I forgot to put my that's what I forgot to do.
What?
My the air intake.
You did it so fast, I forgot it was even off.
Me?
Dude, you're on. You're fucking. You're killing it nowadays.
The rears are.
Yeah.
Or that one.
I can tell you by weight too. You want to see how gangster I am? These are the front.
Yeah.
You want to know how you really know, Kevin? The fronts are always bigger than the rear.
Mm-hmm.
Until you get some gangster fucking rotors and calipers.
Big brake kit.
Big brake kit, dude. 6 piston in the front, 4 piston in the rear. Gangster time. We just wanted to film a quick one. I wanted to put those LEDs in his car. Since you stupid ignoring him. I wanted to put those LEDs in there because they got sent out. They wanted us to do like a review, but we did an install and Kevin fucking sent it because he saw me send it. You're not supposed to do that on your street, by the way, Kevin.
That's right.
But he's not doing rotors. He's doing brakes next, and we're gonna put, where is it? I don't know, somewhere in here. up there somewhere. We're gonna put his what is it, 3-inch fucking catless downpipe on there, and it should sound a hell of a lot better. I mean, I think it sounds good now. You're tripping. I don't know what you think's wrong with it. And I think that's it so far. We'll probably get some coils in the future, get fancy with it. We need to figure out the height issue that's going on here, and we'll figure it out and send it.